Hi everyone, it's your favorite cook, back at it again. Today, we're going to be making a delicious street food recipe,咖哩鱼蛋, also known as curry fish balls. Every time I go to Hong Kong, I have to eat this dish. Let's get started. Start by peeling and cutting the white radish. In a small pot with boiling water, place the radish inside and boil for 10 minutes. I got this cooked pork rind from the supermarket. Simply wash and cut into smaller pieces, then strain. If you're not a fan of pork rind or white radish, then no worries at all. You can still make the sauce and add even more fish balls. Make this dish however you like. Now we can chop the shallots and mince the garlic. For this recipe, I'll be using this juhojiang and sasajiang. Start with chicken bouillon, a little turmeric, curry powder, juhojiang, sasajiang, and mix well. Look at that! The radish is now ready. Strain it and save the water for later. Now we can start cooking. Add a little oil to a wok and using medium-low heat, saute the shallots. Add the garlic. Once aromatic, add the paste. We need to add some oil to be able to bring out the flavors. Make sure to maintain the low heat until aromatic. Now we can add 2 cups of the radish water. Add the pork rind and braise for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick it is. Let me tell you why this is the perfect recipe, because it's not too spicy, meaning your kids or other kids can eat it too. Trust me, I brought this to a potluck once, and now this year, I'm invited to 30 more potlucks.
係咪真㗎?
Once it's ready, add the radish. Add the fish balls. Add some evaporated milk. Now we can add some oyster sauce and sugar. Give it a taste and see if it's to your liking. Once it's ready, add the slurry. To finish, I like to skewer it so when I eat it, it feels like I'm back in Hong Kong again. Some curry powders are spicier, so generally start with 1 tablespoon and add more if it's not spicy enough. If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.